Welcome back, viewers. So today we will be testing the rate of change indicator, and we will also be discussing Forex strategies that work. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. All right, before we get into testing today's indicator, let's take a look at the indicator scoreboard. So to date, we have tested 38 indicators, and out of those 38 indicators, 12 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded our win-loss ratio threshold that we have set. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. Of course, you need to go back and watch that video to understand the context of how it was able to achieve that. But as we work on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 12 indicators and go start profitably trading the market with it now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. So as I said, today we will be testing the rate of change indicator. It is a zero line cross indicator, a zero line cross oscillator, a single line indicator or oscillator here. It is also sometimes referred to as just purely momentum, the momentum indicator. And so if you see a indicator that's referred to as the momentum indicator, it's possible that it might be also the rate of change. Not really sure, depends on the platform you are using. So like most zero line crosses, when the oscillator or the indicator line crosses up above zero, that is a indicator to go long. When it crosses down below, that is an indicator or a signal to go low. And that is how we are going to test this indicator today. So let's get on with the testing. All right, looks like we got the first signal right there, and it does look like it was a winner. Yep, it sure was. All right, let's go on here. Look for some more signals. As I said, we will also briefly be discussing Forex strategies that work. And so, as I said just a moment ago, we have tested a whole bunch of indicators so far on this channel. And as we have tested indicators, we have come across indicators that achieve the win-loss ratio that we look for, which is a 60% win-loss ratio. And those indicators, out of those indicators, some have been trend indicators and some have been reversal indicators. And it is my opinion that the best strategy to use when trading an indicator is to use a trend indicator, not a reversal indicator. And that is because, as I've said before, the reversal indicators often will cap your profits. And so you want an indicator that will call a trend and will allow you to ride that trend out for a while. And we have found a few of those. The indicator that achieved the 100% win rate, that was a trend calling indicator. A lot of the indicators that have met the win-loss ratio threshold have all been trend indicators, not reversal indicators. And so the best thing to do is to concentrate on those indicators, because those are the ones that will provide the most amount of profit possible. The trick is to find a really good trend indicator and find a reasonable stop loss. Use our money management techniques with the take profit, the first take profit and stop loss that we have set. I did a whole video on that. And once your first take profit is hit, you will then ride out the rest of the trade, hopefully, and allow your stop indicator, your exit indicator, to get you out of the trade once the momentum slows down and you have gained as much pips as possible. And what we are specifically doing now on the channel is building a trading system that will dial in the maximum amount of profit that you can achieve. It's not too hard to find a reasonable exit indicator. The problem is that often even a reasonable exit indicator will stop you out a good deal before you achieve the maximum amount of pips that you could have gotten out of the trade. And so if you layer some systems, some indicators on top of each other, you can often use them as they are calling signals together, and that will allow you to keep from getting stopped out too early and keep you from losing a lot of profits. And so if you want a trading strategy that works, watch my videos on money management, watch my videos on the psychology of trading and how it can affect you, and then pick one of our really good trend indicators that we have tested and get out there and use it and see what you can get out of it. We are close to the end of the year now. We'll finish up these last couple signals here, then we will tally up what the rate of change was able to achieve. It did look like it called a few good signals, but not 100% sure yet exactly where it stands. It's looking pretty close. And then it hits a choppy zone and looks like it just gets torn to pieces really fast. This is the importance of having a layer of indicators that will give you a confluence of signals at the same time and help to weed out some of these bad signals. And this is exactly why we look for a system where we layer things on top of each other. So let's see here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So we have 42 trading signals, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So unfortunately, we do not get near the 60% that we need. And so, yeah, once again, this indicator was, subject to the choppiness of the market. And when those choppy areas take place, it just gets hammered. It spikes around in and out, bouncing in and out of the market. And so we've seen this many times, and it's a little bit of an over trader. And so kind of the same old story as a lot of the indicators that we have tested. So unfortunately, this one is going on the no list. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, all right, everybody, I will see you on the next video.